Good morning. What time is it now? It's 6:45 in the morning. So, medyo puffy ang face. Kasi, today, there is a mini reunion ng senior patrollers. April 9. 30 packs. Kasi, in-invite ng asawa ko. So, today, our menu will be our congee or our lugaw with sumpya, tapos fruit salad, coffee and juice. So, very simple, pero, of course, medyo maarte ako lugaw or congee. So, normally, yung mga congee, very simple lang yung recipe or diretso, pero like what I said, medyo maarte. Diba? We don't do things simple in this house. So, the first thing na kailangan gawin before we start is this one. Kailangan nakasoak na to at least 6 hours. But since it's 6:45 in the morning, hindi naman ako nagising ng 1 o'clock. Last night, sinoak na namin yung rice. So, for example, if this is 2 cups of rice, isusoak mo sa 8 cups of water. So, una, i-wash, tapos isusoak na natin siya overnight. So, today, nagising tayo. Last night yan. So, we start making the broth. So, here, just garlic, ginger. So, since we're doing for 30 people, I'm actually making 2 pots. No, kasi, syempre, kailangan pa yung lugaw. Tapos, yung medyo kaartehan nito sa broth, iba-iba yung toppings. So, that's the secret of it. So, in advance, gumawa na kami ng konting toppings. Today, we'll show some, just certain ideas. But pretty much, ang ating congee or lugaw. So, just onions. So this, you can just put bones. Siguro may meron ka something like, I don't know, the night before, or kunyari may natirang roasted chicken, you could just use this up, no? Kasi minsan, pati, ito, may konti pa siyang laman-laman. Well, tapos this one, so medyo naaamoy mo na siya. The ginger, minsan may isip mo tinola siya, but actually, it's congee. So, hintay lang natin siya mag-brown ng konti before we actually add the liquid. Ngayon, there's a thing called, here's my chart. If you go sa mga Chinese store, actually ako particularly sa DEC. No, I think ang DEC meron sa GrabMart, I think, or sa Lazada. But they call it chicken powder. But you can also use pico yun if you want. So, but for me, mas milder lang ito. So, if you want to buy it, malaki yung pack. I think it's not that expensive. You can do that. So, this one is chicken bouillon. So, depende kung ano gusto rin nyo. But this, we will use this. Use the chicken. And then, star anise. Because parang gusto natin may pagka-Chinese tasting yung ating congee. We have star anise. So right now, I'm just gonna put about 3 tablespoons. Again, kasi we're cooking for 30 people. There. So pakukuluan lang natin siya. Nakaka-pressure mo. Sabi natin, di ba, medyo maarte nga tayo with congee. So, we did different toppings. So, this is actually tinapa na ginawa namin. Tinapang bangus. We flaked it. We deep fat fried it. Chopped green onions. Crunchy garlic na bottled. Chili crunchy garlic. Pepper. Patis. And then toyo. So, on top of that, dadagdagan pa natin siya ng boiled eggs. Chinese sausage na we bought. We're going to slice it small and fry. Tapos yung siomai, ika-cut din natin into 4 and then we deep fat fry it also. Yun lang gagawin natin. Ito ang itlog ni Marian. Bouncy. Malinamnam. So this is Chinese chorizo. So here, when you're slicing ha, hindi nakaganon. Kasi una baka yung kuko mo mapasok dyan and it's not safe. So normally, when you start the knife, di ba there's a flat part? There's a flat part because you use it as your gun. So basically, if you do it, move, you don't slice yourself. So there. Kaya pakita mo yan. So yun siya. Okay? So this, you do, becomes your natural guard. So sa mga taong natatakot ng chop at saka sa knife, this is the safety. So there. Diba? So you use that. Now we're just slicing the Chinese sausage para we can slowly or lightly fry it. So, if you are to do this at home, do it on your own, pwedeng luncheon meat, pwede nyong ihalo if you wish. Kikiam also, except sobrang aga kasi ng event namin, 8 o'clock, so it means I have to start cooking at 6:30. Hindi ko na kaya pumunta ng palengke just to get kikiam. Kasi iba yung kikiam sa grocery, iba yung kikiam dito sa palengke namin, sa Malabon. Pwede rin yung tirang embutido. You know, you can just slice it up. So basically, ito, cut ko lang into 4. Any store-bought siomai. We make things extraordinary. So if you notice, I actually use very little oil kasi nga, our guests are senior citizens, so we don't want to contribute so much sa kanilang cholesterol. So just gonna add more here. So probably this one will boil it siguro for like another 30 minutes. So while that's boiling, that's when we're doing the topping. So to lightly fry, you don't want it to deep fat fry. Ayan, you could start smelling it. So yung may pagka-Chinese flavor. So we will just slightly... Ayaw mo sobrang tosta.
Pang-toppings mo rin.
Yes. Gusto, di ba?
Arte na punch.
I know, maarte talaga. Sinabi ko naman, ano di ba? I think I'm kikay by nature. So, nagka-translate sa food, hindi naman masamahan yung din. So instead of mixing everything, di ba, in one quantity, we just give everybody a choice. So there, so it's medyo light. Pwede na to. Yun yun. Kanina, di ba napaka-konti ng oil? Look at that. All of the oil that was released by the Chinese sausage. Using the excess oil, dadagdagan ko siya ng oil so we can deep fry the siomai. Imagine the effort. So yung ordinary lugaw, hindi mo maluluto ng 30 minutes. So using coconut oil. So from there, di ba, overnight wash, tatanggalin ko. So we mix them. Okay, so from here, we bring it to boil and we cook it for about 30 minutes. Once this starts boiling, yung shredded chicken, i-add natin dito. And then, we're going to put some sesame oil. Mag-guess ko sa ano ka vlog.
Ayun, kakagising ko na Vika.
Yeah, I just said we're cooking the lugaw. Kasi may guest ka 8 a.m.
Good morning! Just finished my therapy session. Masarap to. Niluto ni Whitey.
Second hauler, nakipanik na dahil 20 minutes pa.
Hindi ako nagpabalik sa
Doon sa Celine, siya yung nag-picture ng OOTD. Magaling siya mag-angle. Hi, ka. English, ah? English.
Hello!
Ito yung basher. Tama-tama. After 10 minutes, this is ready na. Kita mo kung ano, sikitas na. Again, we're cooking for 30. So, medyo marami siya. Merong siomai, Chinese sausage, egg, green onions, itlog, at pinapa-place. So, lalagyan siya ng toppings. Tapos, merong crunchy garlic, merong maanghang, hindi maanghang. Merong patis, merong soy sauce. So, iba-iba po siya yung toppings. Ganda lang po natin.
Thank you po!
Kain na kayo.